everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family, yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Hey guys, it is Miss Janita back again with another video, and today I'm sharing with you my KitchenAid stand mixer attachment food grinder. I'm getting ready to grind up some beef. Put it over here. I got some more beef. I'm about to grind it up and make me some ground beef because I'm going to be making meatballs and I need the ground beef. I didn't have any in my freezer, so I'm making me some. So hold on, I'll be back. Hello, this is the ground beef I made from a big old chuck roast, I believe. It is so beautiful. Okay guys, it's Miss Janita back again with some more grocery talking about what I'm doing in this kitchen. And I do have a grocery haul today. And I also have made prepared and cooked, done, ready to be vacuum sealed and frozen for later meals. Yep, camera everywhere. So I made 2 pans of meatballs. And why aren't they so greasy, Miss Janita, this time? Because I have ground beef, chicken, and beef. That ground beef, I don't think well, it's probably shared now. But I had made a short. I made some fresh ground beef from a beef roast, excuse me. And I used that meat that I ground up, made into ground beef, and made meatballs. So voila, we have meatballs that I'm gonna freeze. Some we're having today. I'm cooking cabbage, candy yams, corn muffins, rice gravy, and some meatballs. And the rest of them vacuum sealed, going in the freezer. So yes, I have 2 pans. And what did I do? I got 60 meatballs. We have 60 meatballs. I could have got more if I had made them smaller. Next time I'm gonna make them smaller because these are some nice size meatballs. The pan before this, they were even larger than this right here. But next time I make the meatballs, I'm making them half the size of one of these meatballs. You see, so I'll have more meatballs. They'll be smaller. Bite size, let's say bite size. These right here are mouth size. Pie hole. Oh my God. But anyway, I just wanted to share that the meatballs are ready. Share what we have for dinner. And then watch, here's the grocery haul. Thanks guys for all the support. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, hype, all that good stuff. Help Miss Janita channel grow. And let's become YouTube friends, content creators, visitors, looky-loos, passerbys, trolleys. Get out the way. But if you want to come through and give me a like, thank you so much. All right. Good morning. It is Miss Janita back again with the grocery haul. You got a few things from Amazon. I got 2 turkey gravy mixes, 3 mushroom. I got some Italian seasoning. I got some oranges, Granny Smith apples, and I got with these 2 bags of these Gala apples. I got me some celery. I got some ground beef patties. What back there? Oh, some blueberries. I gotta what am I gonna do? Wash my fruit up. And today I'm gonna be making my meatballs. I showed earlier I was grinding up some roast beef to make some ground beef. And I got some ground turkey. I got some ground chicken. And well, you don't see that. That's in a whole nother section. But it's gonna be a little busy day today because I'm supposed to be making my blueberry muffins and my other muffins. Let me see what else I'm supposed to be doing. I don't know what dinner is today, but I guess it might be a meatball. I have some cabbage, mixed vegetables, candy yam, corn muffins, meatballs, and gravy over rice. White rice, that is. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm tired. Tired from yesterday's duties. I did a lot yesterday, and I don't think I got enough sleep last night. But anyway. Oh, did I say I got... Oh, I didn't even tell y'all about the green beans, huh? I got 3 cans of the French style. Amazon got their own canned goods too. I got 3 cans of the Amazon French style green bean. They was at a good price. And I got 3 cans of Amazon Savor cream of mushroom. I got 3 cans of those. Is everything up here? Oh, not up here is a case of, I'll probably show it in a different video, but I got a case of pinto beans, I got a case of black beans, and I got a case of, I think them navy or great northern beans. I got some avocados, y'all to see. I got a 10-pound bag of rusted potatoes. Y'all don't see, it's not up here. And I'm not about to go get it because it's heavy. I don't feel like picking that up. But those are a few other things I got in a different haul. I'm trying to think. I got another haul, but it's not. I'll share that at a different time. But this is what I'm sharing today. Hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul. And I'm going to share some other things in this video besides this grocery haul. All right. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.